present perfect in past. I have done and I did. A. Study this example situation. Tom is looking for his key. He can't find it. He has lost his key. Present perfect. This means that he doesn't have his key now. Ten minutes later. Now, Tom has found his key. He has it now. Has he lost his key? No, he has found it. Did he lose his key? Yes, he did. He lost his key, past simple. But now he has found it, present perfect. The present perfect, something has happened, is a present tense. It always tells us about the situation now. Tom has lost his key. He doesn't have his key now. See Unit 7. The past simple, something happened, tells us only about the past. If somebody says Tom lost his key, this doesn't tell us whether he has the key now or not. It tells us only that he lost his key. At some time in the past. Do not use the present perfect if the situation now is different. Compare. They have gone away. They will be back on Friday. They are away now. They went away, but I think they are back at home now. No, not they have gone. It has stopped raining now, so we don't need the umbrella. It isn't raining now. It stopped raining for a while, but now it is raining again. Not it has stopped. B. You can use the present perfect for new or recent happenings. I have repaired the washing machine. It is working now. Oh, that's good. Sally has had a baby. It's a boy. That's great news. Usually, you can also use the past simple. I repaired the washing machine. It is working okay now. Use the past simple, not the present perfect, for things that are not recent or new. Mozart was a composer. He wrote more than 600 pieces of music. Not has been, has written. My mother grew up in Italy. Not has grown. Compare. Did you know that somebody has invented a new type of washing machine? Who invented the telephone? Not has invented. C. We use the present perfect to give new information, see Unit 7. But if we continue to talk about it, we normally use the past simple. Oh, I have burned myself. How did you do that? Not have you done. I picked up a hot dish, not have picked. Look, somebody has spilled something on the sofa. Well, it wasn't me, I had to do it. That hasn't been haven't done. Exercises 13.1. Complete the sentences using the verbs in brackets. Use the present perfect where possible. Otherwise, use the past simple. 1. I can't get in. I have lose my key. 2. The office is empty now. Everybody go home. 3. I meant to call you last night, but I forgot. 4. Helen go to Egypt for a holiday, but she's back home in England now. 5. Are you okay? Yes. Have a headache, but I am fine now. 6. Can you help us? Our car break down. 13.2. Are the underlined parts of the sentences right or wrong? Correct them where necessary. 1. Did you hear about Sue? She has given up her job. Okay. 2. My mother has grown up in Italy. 3. How many poems has William Shakespeare written? 4. Ow, I have cut my finger. It is bleeding. 5. Drugs have become a big problem for everywhere. Big problem everywhere. Drugs have become a big problem everywhere. 6. Who has invented paper? 7. Where have you been born? 8. Ellie isn't at home. She is gone shopping. 9. Albert Einstein has been the scientist who has developed the theory of relativity. 13.3. Put the verb into the correct form, present perfect or past simple. 1. It stopped raining for a while, but now it is raining again. It stopped. 2. The town where I live is very different now. It has changed a lot. It changed. 3. I studied German at school, but most of it now I forget. 4. The police. 3 people, but later they let them go. Arrest. 5. What do you think of my English? Do you think it improved? 6. Are you still reading the paper? No, with it. You can have it. I finish. 7. For a job as a tourist guide, but I wasn't successful. I apply.